What I'm about to do is give you all the collard green secrets. Now, honey, don't tell my grandma I didn't told y'all this. Hey, this is Argistinette with Cooking Couture Atlanta. Hey, honey. Listen, I'm about to put on my weekly pot of collard greens and I'm about to take y'all with me. I always do something a little bit different. It won't take long. I want y'all to get y'all a pressure cooker, honey. I love my little Instapot pressure cooker. I don't care what kind you get, but I want you to throw a pot of greens, something good in it every week. That's what we doing. We keeping ourselves cleansed, healthy, and we can get full and enjoy our food, and we don't have to have a whole bunch of calories and all that other stuff. Okay, so pressure cooker, bag of collard greens, already washed. They have been washed. I'm not re-washing them. Collard greens, I bought them at Publix. They're cheaper at Walmart and Kroger, but these were $4.50 at Publix. And then I have 2 turkey thighs left from the last time I froze those. And then a thing of chicken broth, Publix chicken broth, and this was $2. Usually I get it for $1. I think this was $2. That's 4, 5, 6. We just gonna say $6 so far. And then the I'm gonna do $2 for the turkey thighs, cause I think they were $4 and it was 4 in there, and I used the other ones. All right. And then I'm gonna do this half of jar of Mount Olive banana rings, and I'm gonna put the juice, everything in there. Goody goody. Then a package of this Lipton golden onion soup mix. So I say we up to, listen, this ain't nothing but a little $10 meal. This is less than $10, and it's gonna feed a lot of people. And you can always freeze your collard greens. You can do this and freeze it, and it's delicious. Okay, I'm gonna put some minced garlic in here. I'm letting a little bit of the juice fall out. Maybe that was a tablespoon, 2 tablespoons. Okay, this is the secret recipe. This is your sodium. This is ultimate flavor, 2 tablespoons. Yep, that's 2 tablespoons of that. Whole can of Rotel, that's $1. And if you like it spicy, get the Rotel that has some spice in it. We want a little spice today, so I'm putting some crushed red peppers in here. I'm saying everything, 2 tablespoons. All right, pressure levels, I want to pressure cook this 30 minutes on high. 30 minutes. There we go. And we'll look at them in 30 minutes and taste them. But what is really going to, okay, there it goes. It's on and it's going. What's really going to set it off is I was rushing to get it done early so that later on for the game, they will have sat on warm for about 6 hours. They're going to be so fire. They need to sit and let all of the juices and everything get in there and get in there good. It's gonna be the bomb. I tell you that these greens so bomb, baby, you can eat them cold. Honey, somebody tell Big Daddy the greens is on.